Hey guys, welcome to my channel Linux King. My name is Salman Francis, and from today we are going to start a new video series, and it's called Practical Apache Admin. And the good news is it's all based on CentOS 8, the latest CentOS system, and we are going to cover a lot of things in this video series from very basic to advanced level. So just keep looking for new videos on my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's youtube.com/Linux King, and also visit and like us on our Facebook page. It's facebook.com/Linux King 77. So without further ado, let's start. Before we step into Apache or start its configuration or go into its detail, we need to install CentOS 8. So for this very first video, we are going to install CentOS 8. So for all of you who are not familiar with CentOS 8 and how it's installed, this is a good chance to learn something. So I have already installed, you can see here, Oracle VM Virtual Manager or VirtualBox. And I have already downloaded our distro from CentOS.org. And I would recommend to download from torrent, it's easier. And this is DVD1, you can see CentOS 8-x86, you can download this. Okay, once you have downloaded this, what you need to do is you need to go to File, click on New, and you can create it CentOS 8, click Next, give it at least 2 GB RAM, 2048. Click Next. Okay, create a virtual disk right now. Create. Video image is fine. Dynamically allocated is fine. I'm going to give it 20 GB because it's CentOS 8. And the ISO image is 7 GB. So now once we are done with this, what we need to do is we need to make few changes. I am going to go to our first thing is I'm going to go to this optical drive you can see here, and I'm going to give the CentOS image which I just downloaded and it's not here. I'm going to add it, and it is available in our CentOS 8. Okay, here it is. Okay, and you can see it's 6.65 GB. Once it's done, I have chosen it. Okay, let's go to our networks, and from here I'm going to use a bridge adapter with my wireless network. Okay, so once it's done, I'm going to click on Start. And now I am going to use Install CentOS System. Okay, we can minimize this VirtualBox, and let's wait. So the installer has started. And now we will be presented with the graphical user interface, and over here I'm going to select English US United States. Okay, so you can see here the software, its installation is source local media. We are going to use this later, but first need to give the disk. Okay, this is the disk, it's already selected. Click on Done. Once it's done, we are going to go to network portion. Over here I'm going to give it to name my machine, it's dragon.itpings.com, and I'm going to give this machine the Ethernet. I'm going to start it, and you can see it already got the IP address. Once it's done, click on Apply and then click on Done. Okay, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to software selection, and over here I'm going to use minimal install. Okay, just remember Like CentOS 7, you cannot install right now or download the minimal installation. You need to install the full DVD of CentOS 8, and from there you can select minimal install, just like I did. Okay, once this is done, click on done, and then we click on begin installation. Okay, I'm going to create a root user. With a very basic password. Done. I'm going to create a user, and it's going to be user Salman, and make this user the administrator, and I'm going to use the same password. Okay, that's funny. Okay, now we have installed, we have successfully set up the root user password and the user password. So now we wait for the installation to be completed. And I think it will be completed in a couple of minutes, because you can see that 375 packages have already been installed. Now it's configuring the kernel core. Okay, and I think I can pause the video if you like. So let's do that. Alright guys, you can see the installation is complete, and now we are going to reboot the system. Click on reboot. And from devices, I am going to remove the device, force and mount. And I am going to reset the machine. And now if all goes well, we are going to be using our virtual disk to boot the system. And there we have it. I'm going to use the root to log in. Okay, perfect. And our internet should be working as well. We can ping Google and you can see we have a working internet system, and host name is there. DNS should be working as well. So you can see the DNS is also resolving. Perfect. So now what we are going to do is we are going to disable CentOS, SE Linux in it. Vim etc SE Linux and config. Sorry, Vim is not there, so let's use yum-y update to update our latest CentOS 8, so that we can use the latest packages. And one thing is, after you complete the installation, few packages which I do recommend is Vim, wget. They are the most important packages after you install. And once we are done with these packages, we will start our Apache configuration. Alright guys, so then the upgradation is complete, and now we will be using yum-y install Vim. And we will also install wget. I can use that, I can install them in the same command, but wget. Okay, these are two important packages what I would recommend after the fresh install. And then what we need to do is we are going to disable SE Linux for a while. And and we will enable it later on. Okay, so but at the moment what I'm going to do is disabled. Okay. Okay, and we can use create a touch. This is so SE Linux can rewrite its configuration, and we are going to reboot the system. So that's it, guys. So in our very next video, we will start our very first video of our Apache practical admin. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.